Cabinet approves implementation of the umbrella scheme across. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved the continuation of the 9 sub-schemes of the umbrella scheme Atmosphere and Climate Research Modeling Observing Systems and Services across during 2017 to 2020. It will be implemented by the Ministry of Earth Sciences through its institutes, namely Indian Meteorological Department, IMD, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, IITM, National Centre for Medium Range Weather Forecasting, NCMRWF, and Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Service (INCOIS). The XIA also approved the establishment of National Facility for Airborne Research, NFAR, during 2020-21 and beyond. Across scheme. Across scheme pertains to the atmospheric science programs of the Ministry of Earth Sciences. It will address different aspects of weather and climate services, which includes warnings for the cyclone, storm surges, heat waves, thunderstorms, etc. The objective of the Across scheme is to provide a reliable weather and climate forecast for the betterment of society, thereby ensuring transfer of commensurate benefits to the various services like Public Weather Service, Disaster Management, Agro-meteorological Services, Aviation Services, Environmental Monitoring Services, Hydrometeorological Services, Climate Services, etc.